tangi lang pong presidente ang makapagpapatawag ng special session, hindi maaari pong mismo lamang po ang Senado or lower house ang magkaroon ng joint resolution para po sa special session considering po na ito po ay isa ng impeachment trial?
That is a good question, Ted, because that is a gap in the law, in the Constitution. Because we only authorize the President to be the one to call for special session. That's the rule. So, in case of impeachment, I said that the Congress can adopt the rules under the last section on the article. Congress adopt the rules. So, maaaring they will adopt a rule that they can have special session at the call of the Senate President, for instance, in cases of impeachment, to fulfill a constitutional duty. So that is an open question.
Opo, that's an open question. Okay. Kumbaga, opo, kung gugustuhin din po at naandoon, kasi hindi ko lang ho alam ngayon kung existing pa ba o valid ba yung impeachment rules ng Senado during the time of the last impeachment ni Justice Corona.
Yes, those are still applicable. Mga continuing rules yan eh. They can modify it, yeah.